Organic substances contain carbon. An example of an inorganic substance is metal. Anything that occupies space is called matter. Solids, liquids, and gases and plasmas are considered to be forms of matter. A substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances by chemical means is an element. The smallest part of an element that retains the characteristics of that element is an atom. When two or more atoms are chemically joined, they form a molecule. Oxidation creates a change in the identity of burning wood through chemical change. An example of physical change is ice melting to water and temporary hair color.
Chemical!
An example of a chemical change is iron to rust and permanent hair color. An example of an elemental molecule is aluminum foil. An example of a chemical compound is water. Elements and compounds are examples of pure substances. When two or more elements combine chemically, they form a chemical compound. The four classifications of compounds are acids, bases, salts, and oxides. Two elements combine physically, they form a physical mixture. Two examples of a physical mixture are pure air and concrete. Considered to be a universal solvent is water. Water is composed of 2 volumes of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen. The best type of water to use in the barbershop is soft water. Hard water can be softened by distillation. Liquid and other soaps lather easy in the presence of soft water. The pH of a liquid refers to its degree of potential hydrogen. The pH of a solution measures its degree of acidity and alkalinity. An ion is an atom or molecule that carries an electrical charge. The hydrogen ion in water is acid. The hydroxide ion in water is alkaline. The pH range of hair and skin is 4.5 to 5.5. Acidic solutions will neutralize the effects of alkaline solutions. A chemical reaction that combines an element or compound with oxygen to produce an oxide is known as oxidation. The process of removing oxygen from a substance is known as reduction. Hydrogen peroxide is an example of an oxidizer. In a redox reaction, the oxidizer is reduced. The reducing agent is oxidized. A mixture of two or more substances that is made by dissolving a liquid, a solid, or gaseous substance in another substance is known as a solution. A substance that is dissolved into a solvent is known as the solute. The substance that dissolves the solute is known as the solvent. An example of a suspension is hair oil tonic. An example of an emulsion is shampoo. Substances that act as a bridge to allow oil and water to mix or emulsify are called surfactants. Cosmetic preparations that will cause the contraction of skin tissues are fresheners, facial toners, and astringents. The basic purpose of a cold cream is to cleanse the skin. Moisturizing cream causes the skin to soften. Preparations that temporarily remove superfluous hair by dissolving it at the skin line are depilatories. Preparations that remove hair by pulling it out of the follicle are a type of epilator. Scalp lotions and ointments usually contain medicinal agents. The primary ingredient in styptic powder or liquid is alum. Witch hazel is a solution that acts as an astringent.